Hello guys, welcome back to Maureen Fab's channel. Hope you guys are doing great. So guys, in this video today I will be making Egusi soup, the tastiest Egusi soup. These are all the ingredients I'll be using to make this tastiest Egusi soup. So guys, if you have not yet subscribed to Maureen Fab channel, please guys subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell that anytime I upload a new video you will be the first to be notified. So stay tuned guys, let me show you the process how I cook my tastiest and yummy Egusi soup. Stay tuned guys. So guys, I prefer to clean my egusi very well. I don't use blended egusi, so I prefer to clean it very well and I blend it myself. So this is the process how I clean my egusi before blending it. Stay tuned guys. So guys, right now I'm going to start the process of cooking the soup. I'm going to add 1 cup of oil on medium heat pot. So I'm going to have the blended egusi and fry it for a while. So these are the process I'm using to make this egusi soup, and I know it will come out so delicious. So guys, please leave a comment in the comment section below. Like and share my video to your loved ones. Rate this video, it will help the development of my channel. So stay tuned guys. So guys, after cooking the egusi soup for about 15 minutes, so I'm going to add all the dry fish, stock fish. I I'll add salt, and I'll also add some nut cubes as well. Keep on watching, guys. So guys, I've had all the other ingredients. So right now I'm going to add the dry pumpkin leaf. So actually this pumpkin leaf, it was dry, but I have to boil it for like 10 to 15 minutes to make it more soft. So I'm going to add the pumpkin leaf right now. So guys, please rate this video for me. Rate this video, guys. Leave your comments in the comment section below. Like and share my video to your loved ones. Please, guys, keep on watching. So guys, I'm going to add the fish and also the meat. I don't like my meat to be too soft, so I'm going to allow it to simmer for like 15 to 20 minutes, and the egusi soup will be ready. And I also like my egusi soup to be well cooked. I always like my egusi to be well cooked. Keep on watching, guys, and stay tuned. So guys, you can see the soup. Wow, this is so yummy. So guys, I'm going to stir it very well, and also I'm going to lower the heat. I won't like my egusi to get burnt at all. Wow, guys, if you like this soup, leave your comment in the comment section below. This is authentic egusi soup. This goes with everything though. Keep on watching, guys. So guys, I have come to the end of cooking this my authentic egusi soup. It's so yummy and delicious. Thank you for watching this video, and if you have not yet subscribed to Morifab channel, guys, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to Morifab channel, leave your comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell that anytime I upload a new video, you will be the first to be notified. Like and share my video to your loved ones. See you on my next video. Bye for now. Bye.